Welcome to Beautyistic, where we don't just talk beauty, we break it down with real insights and honest opinions. If you're someone who loves the power of a good lipstick, especially one that promises long-lasting wear, you're in for a treat today. We're talking about L'Oreal Paris Color Riche Intense Volume Matte Lipstick in the shade Worth It Intense. Let's see if it truly lives up to the hype and delivers that bold, comfortable matte look it promises. This lipstick is designed to offer up to 16 hours of wear, which sounds like a dream for anyone who needs their lip color to last from morning meetings to evening cocktails. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, which means it's supposed to keep your lips feeling comfortable and hydrated throughout the day, not dry and cracked like some other mattes can leave you feeling. And with 12 shades to choose from, L'Oreal claims this product will flatter a variety of skin tones, a plus for anyone looking for versatility. But does it deliver on these promises? Let's dive in. First impressions. Out of the tube, this lipstick feels sleek and chic. The packaging is simple, but the slim design of the bullet feels like it could offer a precise application, especially when you're lining your lips. The formula itself is a little thicker than I expected for a matte lipstick, but not in a heavy or uncomfortable way. It's more of a creamy texture that promises to glide on smoothly without feeling sticky. Real-world testing and experience. I decided to wear this for a full day to really put it to the test. I applied it in the morning, and to be honest, I was skeptical about how comfortable it would feel after several hours. Many long-wear formulas dry my lips out, so I wasn't sure if this one could deliver on its promise of comfort. Well, the first thing I noticed was that my lips didn't feel parched. The hyaluronic acid seems to really work here. My lips felt hydrated even after a few hours of wear. And yes, the color stayed put. No bleeding, no smudging, and no need for touch-ups, which is a huge win. I even had a coffee in the middle of the day, and there was no noticeable transfer onto the mug. By the end of the day, the color had faded slightly in the center of my lips, but it was still there, and it didn't look uneven or patchy. Pros and cons. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Long-lasting. This lipstick delivers on its 16-hour promise. It stays on through meals, drinks, and even a little bit of talking. Comfortable. The infusion of hyaluronic acid really helps keep your lips feeling smooth and hydrated. Even as a matte, it doesn't dry out your lips like some others. Precise application. The slim bullet allows for a nice clean line around the lips, making it great for contouring. Color variety. With 12 shades, you've got a great range of options to match any skin tone. Cons? Slight fade. While the lipstick lasts, it does fade a little in the center of your lips after hours of wear. Not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind. Packaging? While the tube is sleek, it feels a bit light, which could make it seem a little flimsy compared to some premium brands. Not a huge issue, but worth mentioning. Value for money. At the price point, L'Oreal is offering a high-performance matte lipstick with a comfortable wear and long-lasting color, which is really impressive. Considering the quality, I'd say this lipstick gives you great value for money. It's affordable, but doesn't compromise on comfort or wear time. It's a solid option for anyone looking for a matte lipstick that doesn't feel drying and will last through the day. Alternatives. If you're looking for something similar, but at a lower price point, you might want to check out Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink. It offers similar long-lasting properties, but is a bit drier on the lips. On the other hand, if you're willing to spend a little more, Charlotte Tilbury's Matte Revolution lipstick offers an ultra-luxurious feel with great color payoff and comfort. Final verdict. So, does L'Oreal Paris Color Riche Intense Volume Matte Lipstick live up to its claims? Absolutely. It offers long-lasting wear, comfort, and precise application, all in a sleek, affordable package. It's a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a matte lip that doesn't feel like they're wearing a layer of concrete. If you're someone who struggles with dry lips but still loves the look of a matte lipstick, this is definitely worth trying. However, if you need a formula that's bulletproof for those long wear and tear days, keep in mind that it does fade slightly in the middle after a while. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay updated on all our latest reviews. Your support really helps us keep making honest, unbiased reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this lipstick or have any other matte favorites, drop a comment below and share your thoughts with us. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.